Alright, picking up where we left off, we're in infiltrate mode. No, that's not right. We do want the silencer and the laser sight, which I did backwards.
Fire at will.
Well then do something about it, man. We have no reason to be quiet. As I fire with the sound suppressor on, jeez.
Go. Advancing. Mag change.
Wow.
Don't give them clear shot.
Okay. It's easy enough. I changed up our outfit. We were communist guerrillas before, and now we are a throwback to the old Rainbow Six team that I used to make when I was a kid playing this. This was like Rogue Spear and pre-Rogue Spear. And I remember operators wearing this silly urban outfit. Like, I liked it, but also kind of hated it because it was really cliche. But that's what this uniform is supposed to look like.
Go. Over there, Roger.
Oh, we got shield guys. Come on now. Oh. All right, we good?
Go. Copy that.
I think we're good. So this is a theater level. Theater mission? I always thought it was just the penthouses.
Bishop, I'm in the Elements Theater now. This place is packed with hostiles. Where are you?
We're in the casino. We'll make our way towards Elements.
I can't reach the theater security room on my own. It's too well guarded. You're on your own from here on out.
Sound
I'm gonna
suppressors
snoop around and
off.
see if I can find anything on Alvarez.
Ah,
I need a threat assessment, Mike.
It's going to get noisy and confusing in these game rooms, but if we use our thermal goggles, the tangles will light up like Christmas trees.
oh, will they? Those are our boys. Was expecting a bit more.
Fall in.
Will do.
On your six.
Oh, there's a nest up there.
Hustle!
Another bad guy.
Long range with my little Ugg Para.
On me.
I just like bullpups. Is really what it comes down to. Couldn't tell you why. Whoa. Good grief. Oh, come on. Will it kill him? Yeah, I don't know what to do, guys. Oh, there we go. Well, that wasn't too bad. Oh. That was like some bullet time shit.
On my way.
Without the bullet time. You know, another game I'd love to play is Fear. Fear and Max Payne also did bullet time, but like in a different way.
To me.
This would be more like Fear.
Following.
Stack up.
No.
Stay put.
Holding.
On me.
Copy.
They're like, make up your mind. Act 5, Scene 3, center stage. Is he good or bad? Who, I don't know who my guys were shooting at. Okay, that guy's good. Look how cool our outfit is. Look at that. Advance!
Thanks for the assist. It's a mess in there. They're threatening to kill all the hostages if we try to assault any of the rooms.
Is there a security room we can access?
Yeah, it's on the second floor, but my squad took a pounding when we tried to push through.
Thanks for the info. We're going in.
Moving.
Advancing.
Down.
How is this not where I go? What is happening? Where did you come from? Ah, crud.
Double time.
Well, I'm not supposed to be over here.
Contact Tango.
Reloading. Moving.
Got him.
Yeah, we made it.
Taking cover.
Oh, now I'm supposed to be up here? Oh dear. Oh!
Go, go, go.
Moving.
Engaging.
We need more men.
Oh, jeez.
Cover your ass. Double time.
Getting out.
What is this? Oh. it's a table.
Regroup.
Falling.
Go, go.
Team hack the computer. Only imagine what's gonna happen here.
Tango's incoming.
Nah.
Status, young.
Looks like they're setting up something in the Chinese theater.
Explosives. This could get real.
Oh, you can blind fire?
There.
Oh no, he just hides.
Stage.
That's pretty cool. Alright, what are we waiting for? Oh, that's it? Okay, I'll take it. Can we reload before we hit the road though? There's no ammo? Come on. There must be. Guess not. Some of these rooms give me Gmod vibes.
We cannot let them set that bomb off early. I strongly recommend we go in silent.
Fine. We can go in silent.
Go silent.
Roger.
See, they have guns. They have separate guns for this purpose.
Prepare for entry.
Stacking.
In position.
Open and clear.
On it. Engaging Tango. Threat eliminated.
There's no one here. Oh, Young got himself killed. Oh! We're up here. Yeah, forget it. Let's try that again. I didn't realize we were there already. Okay, so Young said that we should go in silent,
Stacking up.
but I think we should go in guns blazing. And that's precisely what we're gonna do. So we're gonna start things out with a bang by throwing a grenade.
Frag and clear.
I'm gonna pop the door. Get this party started.
Take them down.
Anyone got it?
Okay. Now we should be able to rappel from here, right? Crap. There must be a way to rappel, is there not? Where's that? That's the door. Oh, maybe this isn't the way. Can we rappel? There we go. Fast rope, sure. I'm trying.
Position.
Oh, they're already down here.
Go.
There's probably smoother ways we could have done this. And there it is. Wow, I actually was not expecting that to work. That was so sloppy. Is it gonna blow? It's beeping. Let's get away from it. It just blows up.
Aim for their leader.
Oh, come on, those guys weren't on the radar. That's why I used it. Silly game.
Control your shots. Make
Yeah?
each one count.
Oh, jeez! I want my submachine gun, but not if it's gonna...
Go loud.
Yeah, we're going loud. Enough of this. It's foolishness.
Take them down.
You know what? There. What a way to go. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Prepare for entry.
That's how professionals do it. They just throw their gun around the corner and pop off like it's going out of style. Okay, well, you guys breach that door. I'm gonna fill up. Alright. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, there's somebody above us, too.
Where's the support? Me. He's dead.
It's like audio equipment. Man, I am playing sloppy.
Over here.
Game is very generous with its checkpoints.
Stack up.
Stacking up.
Come on. Can't you see that there's no way you're gonna get out of this? They won't bargain with you. They'll come in and kill every single one of you. You can still do the right thing. I'm sure you have loved ones back home too. They wouldn't want you to be part of this nonsense. Come on, what do you say?
Oh, it killed one of the hostages.
They won't
All right, let's try it this way.
Come in and kill every... Thank you.
Oh,
Take care of these people now.
that was smooth. There's just two of them.
To the roof.
I thought there was a bunch of them.
Back on me.
Roger.
Whoa! Move! Oh my god.
Reloading.
Can we shoot out the lights? This looks like Splinter Cell.
Prepare for entry.
Reloading.
God. Are we good? Think we're good.
Get over here.
Roger that.
I heard a door open. Oh! Never ends.
Go, go, go.
Hostile,
Regroup.
Copy that.
Everybody's using the UG. It's a good gun.
Following.
Stack up.
Don't blame him.
Stacking up. In position.
Open and clear.
Sir.
It's just a hallway. It's the end. Hey, we leveled! I'm just gonna keep it going. This is gonna be a long one. It's extraction. I think this is the last scene
Following.
of this mission. I could be wrong, though. Something I was thinking about doing, I come back and play the same games over and over. This is probably my third playthrough of Rainbow Six. But I'll like come back through and record different parts of it. And eventually I'll have like a whole series of different playthroughs, like different periods of time. I'd love to know what Linux distro I was running last time I think it was Debian though. I'm pretty sure it was Debian the last time I played. And I'm on Debian now. But I guess that says I used to be a distro hopper. Definitely, but not anymore. Oh.
Hustle.
Where are they? Oh, it's just guys coming. Oh, there's like boxes right there.
Double time.
In position.
Go, go, go.
Acknowledged.
The city's just coming apart. Oh! Not doing that again.
Clear.
Placing charge. Terminated.
Oh, he just happened to be here at that moment.
Contact. Tango. Enemy down.
There's a level in the Battlefield 3 campaign that looks a lot like this. You know, I've never beat the Battlefield 3 campaign, but I've come back to it. Like, I go back to it all the time. Dude, this little gun encampment is a pain.
Double time.
Push!
Go, go. Double time.
Must be.
We've cleaned out the Elements Theater. Is Sharon...
She's stable. Several hours ago, Logan's team was ambushed in Mexico. He made it out, but Gabe and Khan were both captured by Arena. Mike, Young, I need you to replace them. We've got chaos on the strip, and Logan needs your help. Bishop, you're regrouping back at base. Hang...
I didn't do that. I don't know why it cut him off. I was thinking of what mission was next. I think it's the one where you have to go to the oil refinery or whatever. That one's pretty fun. I'll do that one next. This is probably a good place to hang it up. If that didn't... Oh, there's the Dolphin. I think that's the same helicopter from Deus Ex. Looks like the same one. They're similar. Oh no, never mind. No, it's not. The one in Deus Ex isn't detailed like at all. I guess it has a similar shape.
Now where is Edge? We'll see you soon.
Yeah, on the job training for counter-terrorist operatives.